What's up, guys? It's Coco, and today we are going to be having Papa John's with hot Cheetos. Alright guys, so if you can remember last year, I think last year or a year and a half ago, there was this trending hot Cheetos everything, and people were doing hot Cheetos chicken, hot Cheetos, I couldn't remember everything, but there's hot Cheetos everywhere. They're making a combo of hot Cheetos and everything. So hot Cheetos pizza, I remember, was a big thing, and I've never done it, and I was always interested in doing it because I love hot Cheetos and I love pizza. So today I got some hot Cheetos from the gas station, and we're gonna be doing hot Cheetos and pizza. Now we're gonna really see if it's really good, because I've never tried it, but I've seen it everywhere. So actually I'm gonna do it half a side just to make sure. I got extra pepperoncinis because they're my favorite. This was actually the last hot Cheetos in the gas station, and I got two. The last two hot Cheetos in the gas station. This. I got Diet Pepsi over here. I'm just gonna pour it. And actually, I was in the gas station, and there was a lot of hot food, so I got distracted. I was like, you know me, I love gas station food, low-key. There was corn dogs, there was egg rolls, there was hot dogs and the rolling thing. There's warm hamburgers, there's warm pizza, and I was like, oh my god, this is like a complete buffet convenience store for me. But I held myself and not bought anything from there because we're doing mukbang. Alright, enough said, let us try this. Also, I got jalapenos in here in the pizza and Philly cheesesteak. Oh my god. Cheers. Whoa. Yes. I don't know if I'm hungry, but I really like it. Garlic dipping sauce. I used to not like this. I love Papa John's pizza. It's so soft. And I got the extra large pizza. Okay. Oops. It's so good. Okay, wow, I'm impressed. I thought I wasn't gonna like it. It's probably because the pizza is good. Ouch. Oh my god. Yes. The pizza got cold right away though. I wish it was hotter. I got the extra large because the extra large is way better tasting. I don't know why. Like the crust is better and the ingredients are better. Do you guys eat your crust? I sometimes don't. Let's try a regular pizza without it. Pretty good. Dip it in garlic. Is there a big of a difference between Cheetos with pizza and Cheetos without the pizza? Yeah. You can't really taste a pizza when there's hot Cheetos in it. But it's not bad. So good. Hot Cheetos, pizza taco. No story time today, sorry. Really focusing on eating. It's so dry when you eat pizza because it's like all bread. It feels like it's coming down to your throat and it's hurting you. Another slice with Cheetos. Mmm. 11 minutes, pretty good. Garlic butter. I used to hate the garlic butter. And then I started doing it like 3 times. I was like, this isn't bad. It is actually extra flavor. One of my coworkers got me a cross. Look at this. So pretty. I love crosses. I'm Catholic, so I mean, not because I'm Catholic, but I just love the symbol of the cross. I think it's so classy. I just burped really hard and it feels so good. Like, you know when you eat and like the air comes in your stomach too, so you feel like extra full, and then you burp and then you feel like you have space again in your stomach. Best feeling ever. But I edit my burps and I'm not gonna put that ever in my videos. I know a lot of people love to hear burps, but I don't feel like doing that. I'm a classy little woman. I'm a delicate flower. I want some In-N-Out. We don't have In-N-Out here. This reminds me of In-N-Out. Because they give out pepperoncinis on In-N-Out too, remember? Oh, right, remember, like, you know. Towels. Somebody stuck my teeth. I don't know why I got 2 bags of hot Cheetos, but I did. Oh god, I have shit on my face and it's actually really good. I ate so fast. And this isn't just a large, it's extra large. Okay. It's pretty good. Cheers. Alrighty guys, I'm super full. I am tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.